Hello and welcome to week 8. My name's Kathy and this is my channel, and we are in the process of decluttering and cleaning the house this year. And we are on week 8 and we are working on some of the closets. The cleaning closet, the pantry, and underneath the stairway storage closet is what we're working on this week. And we have the not the pantry, but the cleaning closet, and I'll show you what I did on that. We put shelves on the door to hold all the cleaning products, and then I put, I don't know if you can see too well, I put hooks at the top to hang the brooms and stuff so they're off the ground, and will allow for the allow me to keep my sweeper and stuff on the floor. So that is the cleaning closet done. Okay, the next thing I worked on was the pantry. Now I've got this organized, and some people believe in making an inventory of the pantry. I don't. Things change so quickly that it's just a waste of paper to try to keep track of everything. So what I basically do is I keep on the top, I keep any appliance that won't fit over in the kitchen that we don't use very often. I can also keep my puzzles up here. Paper goods are at the top and at the bottom. And then this top shelf here is all food that has to be used this year. The second shelf is food that I have storage for 2022, and it goes in order from here across the top: January, February, March, all the way back April, May, all the way to in November and December. The bottom one here is my baking goods, and over here in the corner is any 2023 and up food. So I know I have to use the top shelf first, second shelf, and then over on this one. And as I use up each one, I'll rotate the shelves so that the things that have to be used most has to go on the top shelf and then down. So it's organized and it's ready to go, and it's very, very convenient. I know why I have to use up and why I don't, and I can easily plan a menu quickly from this pantry. And that brings me to another project that I've been working on, and it's taken a while to do it, but I will show it to you. I have combined all of our favorite recipes into one book. And it basically means I don't have to look up in a whole bunch of different cookbooks to find a recipe that we like. Not only that, but I also have it so each week I have the menu, and I can just put that up on the fridge and we know what we're going to be eating that week. And I did this for every week of the year. So that was a big project that I just almost finished. I've got a little bit of work to do on it yet. So the only other thing I got going for this week is I need to clean under the stairs. And as you can tell, that's going to take a while. So I'm going to work on that. It's basically just storage of some holiday items, things I use for seed startings that should be out into the greenhouse and stuff. But since the greenhouse isn't put up yet, I station everything down here. So this is going to take a little bit of time. But that's week 8, and hope you enjoyed it. Remember, dream big and follow that dream. Hit the bell icon so you know when my next video is going to be. Subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up, please. Bye.